Look at those sand dunes. Hey, sand dunes right there.
We are on the beautiful Jensen Beach in Treasure Coast. It's a beautiful place, a beautiful area. It's close to the Intercostal, on the other side close to the ocean. Prices on real estate is very much better than in Palm Beach County. It's a beautiful place, not that crowded, and it's very exclusive.
Yeah, it says no trespassing.
This is Percy, your real estate agent. We're in Jensen Beach today, visiting the real estate, few properties on the Intercoastal. It's a beautiful area, very exclusive, not as crowded as Palm Beach County, and not as expensive as Palm Beach County. Call me back for showings at any time. God bless, and have a nice weekend.